Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Mi True Wireless 2S with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now click Enter, and right here you should click Add Bluetooth or other device. Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and the headphones can enter to prank mode automatically, but we can also make it manually. So just press and hold at the connection button until this LED light starts flashing. Here we go, we have it, and now we should see it at the device list. Click on it and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!